Hello everyone. In previous tutorial, I just show you these types of application. In this tutorial, I show you how to add title, title bar, home, and others color combinations in application. So for that, write a method new material app. Okay. So new here new material app, and in this method, I just write title. Here I show you there is no title bar. Okay, here is no title bar. So for that I just write title and the title name. So I like that my Flutter. After that, here is also home. So for that home page, new material method. Okay, in this new material method, so here I added one more property like colors. So color dot, here you choose your desirable color for your application. So I choose like that. Okay, and press enter. After that, take comma, and then here is a child. So child, that after that in the child you added all your code. Here just copy and paste here. Okay, then run this app using run button. For that, press run button, and it started to installing app in device, and installing is finished. The app is like that. Okay, and for that you can change also another color and combination if you want. And here is the so I just write this code, but I want to take this in perfect way like that. Okay, and that, and also this like that. Okay, perfect. Then here you see that all the this full is entered into widget design. Okay, and full screen is added to widget design, and that's the here is the app bar, title bar, and here is the text view in center for this app. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.